Unique split tail stays open. Body has very little action but will consistently outfish skirts and curly tails that have more action. Proven. One of the top vertical fishing jigs for crappie on the market. Has won several tournaments over the years. Kit contains everything you need for crappie. Our top crappie magnet body colors, double cross jig heads, and easy crappie floats. Fish lure vertically or under a float for best results. Durable. This lure simply catches crappie and is more durable than tube jigs or other small jigs for crappie. Top reviews from the United States. Crappie fisherman's best jig. These things work awesome. Crappie really do love them. If you're not having luck with one color, keep switching till you find the color they are after. At times, they are picky. Usually before spawn. Not a pro, that's just what I found works best here in Missouri.